Today we're going to play a game called Finding Five. You're going to use your cards for this game, but you're not going to use every card. You need to remove from the deck all of the ones, which we're using an ace for that, the twos, the threes, the fours, and the fives. And once you have all of the ones, twos, threes, fours, and fives taken out of the deck, you're going to put them into a pile and you're going to shuffle them. But before you do, you're just going to take out 1, 2. And we just need to do that so that we're left with no cards at the end. So you're going to remove one of the twos, the rest of them stay in there, and you're going to shuffle your cards. Okay, I'm going to make a row of 5 cards. And I'm going to lay the next card on top and just continue the pattern of laying cards on top. When I run out of cards, I stop. It doesn't matter where I stop. And our goal is to find cards that make 5. So now I'm going to turn the cards over. And I'm going to start finding cards that make 5. When I see cards that make 5, I get to pick them up, but I want to use my good math language to pick them up. I see 5 right here, so I can pick up this card, but I have to use my good math language, and I can say 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay, and then I'm going to lay it down here in its own section here, and I'm going to turn this card up. I see other cards that make 5. So I've got 4 and 1. So I can pick those cards up and say 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now I can turn these cards over, or if I want, I can go and pick these up first. I see 3 and 2 is 5. But before I pick it up, 3 plus 2 equals 5. I'm going to turn these cards over. Ooh, I'm excited. I see I've got a 5 there already. I've got other cards that I can use. Awesome. I'm going to take this one. 5 plus 0 equals 5. What else do we see? I see 4 plus 1 equals 5. I'm going to turn the cards over. I have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now I'm going to set this down below my other rows. You might not be able to see them on your screen, but I'm keeping my piles separate so I can do something with them later. Okay, what else do I have here? I've got another 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now I have an empty space and I can leave it there for now. I've got 4 and 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So you just keep going. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Let's see what I've got left. Oh, I've got 5 plus 0 equals 5. And if I couldn't go, if the card facing up, if I couldn't go, then I would be able to flip the card over onto an empty space. But let's see if I can go. I can go. It is 5 plus 0 equals 5. Awesome. So now I have all of my cards organized down here into piles of cards that make 5. So now what I can do is my adult might ask me to write down the equations of the 5s that I have. Let's see what I have. So if I look at this one here, I can see that I've got 5 plus 0 equals 5. Okay, let's look at the next set of cards. I have 2 cards here. What's my equation? 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, let's see. We'll do a few more. What is this equation? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good job. Let's look at this equation. Oh, this is almost the same, but I have the 2 first. This is my switcheroo or my turnaround equation. I'm going to write this one, 2 plus 3 equals 5. I'm going to keep going until I have all my equations down, and then I can show my adult that I played finding 5. Have fun playing the game.